Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to add an account to your Facebook Messenger app. Whether you're using an Android or iOS device, the process is quite straightforward. So let's get started. If you haven't already downloaded the Messenger app, go to the App Store or Play Store on your device. In the search bar, type Facebook Messenger. Look for the app with a chat bubble icon, featuring a sideways lightning bolt and a gradient between purple and blue. Tap on it, and then tap on Install to download it. Once you've installed the app, sign in to your original account by entering your username and password. After logging in, you'll see the Messenger home screen. To add another account, follow these steps. Tap on the 3 stacked lines located in the top left corner of the screen. This will open the main menu. Now tap on your username, which is usually displayed at the top of the menu. Great! You're doing well so far. When you tap on your username, you'll see some options. Look for the Add Account option, which is represented by a plus icon. Tap on it. Now you'll be prompted to enter the account details. Type in the phone number or email associated with the account you want to add. Next, enter the password for that account. This is essentially logging in again, but don't worry, it's a one-time process. Once you've entered the necessary information, tap on Log In. The account you just added will now open up in the Messenger app. Congratulations! You've successfully added an account to your Facebook Messenger app. From now on, both accounts will appear as options when you want to switch between them. To switch between accounts, simply tap on the 3 stacked lines once again, then tap on your username. You'll see a list of your added accounts. Tap on the account you want to use, and Messenger will automatically open it for you. And that's it. You now know how to add an account to your Facebook Messenger app. It's a handy feature if you have multiple accounts or need to manage different profiles. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.